Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your Fidelity account has beta access and two-factor authentication turned on. This protects real trading. Next, install the Active Trader Pro Beta desktop app or opt into the web beta. Choose the platform that matches your OS for best performance. Once done, open the app and allow 20 to 30 minutes for initial data sync so your watch lists and positions load correctly. Make sure to save a backup of any custom layouts immediately because they anchor your workspace and save time later. Once your workspace is restored, focus on the data feeds and order tools. This is where speed matters. Enable streaming market data, time and sales, and level 2 quotes for each symbol you trade so you see liquidity and activity versus lagging snapshots. Then customize chart templates, add preferred indicators, timeframes, and drawing tools, and save those as your defaults per symbol to avoid repetitive setup. Finally, configure order ticket presets, quantity, order type, duration, and one cancels other combos, so you can execute rapidly and consistently. Now you execute and monitor. Begin with paper trades to validate order routing, fills, and P&L calculations, because simulated runs reveal hidden config issues. Make sure alerts, hotkeys, and one cancels other rules are active so your live responses are automated and consistent. Keep an eye on the activity feed and the blotter for fills, partials, or rejects. If you see lag or missing data, clear the app cache, lower chart refresh frequency, or switch to the web beta as a troubleshooting step to restore stability quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.